Here I have REALME Narzo 20A, and today I'm going to show you how to record screen on this device. So to record screen, you just have to summon this menu here, the sidebar, and here you have this button, screen recorder. Tap on it once and the screen recording menu will appear. First you will have to agree with screen recording statement, then you have to allow all of these features it requires and agree with it. Here you can see the record screen menu. Here you have some options. For example, you can enable, disable sound here, microphone sound. You can also access more settings here. For example, you can select video resolution quality. You can enable or disable front camera. You can show screen touches. So to start recording, just tap on this red button and recording will start. Let's record some of our screen. For example, you can pause the recording by tapping here. Then you can play it back on. And if you want to stop recording, just tap here. And after that, recording will be saved to gallery. And here we can find our recording. And from here, we can share, edit, or delete our recording. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.